So currently you know how to log into your website, you've got a basic understanding about your back end of your website, and you know how to now import product sheets. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to edit your front page. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here, you're going to hover to pages, click all pages. Then what you're going to do here, this is your front page here because it says front page and it's got Elementor. So now there's two ways that we can access the Elementor page builder, which is the page builder we use to build your site. We can either go edit page, which we'll right click and open in a new tab, and it will bring you to this page here. Okay, which is a very plain page, doesn't look anything like your front page. Then you have to click edit with Elementor. Or if you go back to the other page, the other tab, sorry, you hover over, you can click edit with Elementor. I prefer going this route. I like to have, so I have here, I've got my back end, the page builder I'm working with, and then the front end here. So now what we're going to do is we'll just wait for this to load. This all depends on the speed of your internet, how quick it loads. And there we go, it is loaded. So on the left hand side here we've got our navigator. So if we click here, it will take us to the section that we're working on. If we click the little toggle button, will take us there. If we click here, it will take us back to the top, and on the left hand side here we will be able to edit it. Right, so what we're going to do is, that's your navigator. On the left hand side here, which I just click the little Rubik's Cube to get all of these. This is what we call widgets. So I can literally just click and add one in. Hello there, and as you can see I'm typing here and it's appearing there. If I go style, I can then change the color if I wanted to, just like this, you see. Okay, so make it bright yellow. If we come here, click on the little typography, little pen, we can change the size of it. Just like that. We can change the weight, which is how bold you want it to be. We can make it thin, just like that. We can change the letter spacing. So as you can see, it's very user-friendly, really works. And then these functions you're not really going to have to worry about. So we'll just delete that. And the same thing applies here. This was the same widget. This is a button. As you can see, you put a link in there. You got your style. Got your radius. Your radius, if you see there, it shows you the pointing of it. Now it's going to get rounder and rounder and rounder. Okay, we'll just put that back to 20. We can change the color here. So it can look like this. Then we can change the cover color, or the hover color here. So as you can see there, we'll make it black. There we go. Alright, so that's how you change that button there. To change this image at the top here, you'll just click on this row here. Click on style, there is your background there. If you wanted to make the front page, the row a little bit smaller, you can just slide it down like this. Scroll down here, this is your information provided. As you can see here, again you can just type here, hi there, it appears. Just like that, same thing, text item, click on this toggle button, you've got your functions like this. This is your image. Click on the image here, you can choose a different image, we'll use this one. None of this will be saved when we're finished. Click here, now you've got different layouts. If you wanted all categories, if you wanted certain items, you could just click there and it will bring up those items. Alright, that's how you add edit your front page. If you wanted to add a new feature, you just click one row, then you go to your widgets. If you want to, let's use Google Maps, click here, and let's just use London Eye. It will automatically pick up London. Or we can go Gateway Shopping Centre. And as you can see, it should pick it up. Hasn't picked that up. So what we'll do is let's just go Cape Town. It will pick up Cape Town. There you go. So it's very, that's quite nice, because then you can put your address in, and then you'll be able to pinpoint exactly without having to drag a map. Again, if you want to make it, you can make it excuse me about that. You can make it full width like this, make it full width like that, height, min height. Now you've got a slider like this. If you're going to change that, I personally would do it on the widget. See, we're going to go height. See, now it's making it a bit bigger, just like that. Alright, that's how you add widgets. Everything is basically the same way. So if you edit your front page like this is how you edit all your other pages. It's the same thing. That's the beauty of Elementor. Alright, that is how you add items to your front page.